Today I'm going to introduce a new lazy cooking dishes, which is the soy sauce chicken wings. And we will have, of course, like wings that we got from Costco, a bag of like 20 pounds for like 20 something dollars, as well as the main ingredient, which is the multi-purpose marinade sauce from Nikam Key. I'm gonna add some salt on the wings so that when we wash the wings, it'll kind of clear up some of the frozen smell, so you won't taste too much of the frozen taste on the wing. And then we're just rinsing like a couple times. So after it done rinsing, we just like start cutting into we're gonna make a cut on each pieces of the wing, so that when you start cooking, the soy sauce will go into the meat itself, not just the outside, so it will become more tastier. It's just a slight cut would be good enough. So after you done cutting, and now we're gonna boil the soy sauce. We just gonna use like half a bottle. You don't have to use the whole bottle at all, just like half a bottle and a cup of water, so that this way when it get boiled, the soy sauce will not become thicker and thicker. Otherwise you cannot make a wing at all. So we're gonna start with like medium high, and then until it get boiled, then we can put the wings into the pot. So like after a couple pieces, when you get full, like depends the size of your pot. Like in my case, I have to stir it a little bit, and then we continue to add more wings until we finished. And then once we put everything into the pot, we just stir it again to make sure they have its own color and everything is being mixed enough, and then let it boil for like 10 minutes, depends the size of your wings. The chicken is ready. You can always use a fork, pinch on it. If it's go into it easily, that means it's fully cooked. So for us, 10 minutes is way good enough. So now we're gonna take it out, the wings. And as you see, all the wings like have color on it, like the flavor go inside. When you taste it, it's gonna be a little bit sweetness, and then like all the soy sauce all in the chicken wings. And this is how we make the soy sauce chicken wings. Just like so easy. You don't need to have to be experienced cooker to make it. All you need is to get the sauce at the Asian market, and that's it. It's like so simple to make it at home. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you the next video.